Did you know the man who killed Caesar to save democracy actually destroyed it forever? Marcus Brutus was Caesar's most trusted friend, possibly even his son. Yet on March 15th, 44 BC, he led the plot to murder him. Other senators had been whispering in his ear for months. They reminded him his ancestors were heroes who defended the Roman Republic. They said Caesar was becoming a tyrant who would end their freedom. Brutus was torn apart inside, but finally agreed to join them. 23 senators surrounded Caesar in the Senate that day. They stabbed him repeatedly with hidden daggers. Caesar fought back until he saw Brutus among his attackers. "Et tu, Brute?" he whispered. "Even you, Brutus?" Then he stopped fighting and collapsed. But Brutus had made a terrible mistake. Instead of saving the Republic, Caesar's murder triggered a massive civil wars. Romans turned against each other in bloody battles that lasted years. The chaos destroyed the very democracy Brutus died trying to protect. His betrayal of Caesar became the betrayal of Rome itself. The Republic was finished forever.